Alright, in 7.4, all we're focusing on is finding the least common denominator. Find the least common denominator. In order to do that, you're going to find the factors of each of your denominators. So 9x to the third power. How do you break it down? It's 3 times x times x times x. Good. And then you're going to break down the second denominator. So 12x, how do you break it down? It's 3 times 4 times x. Good. Now the goal here is to find all of the repeats. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a different color. And I'm going to circle the ones that they have the same. So they share the 3, right? And they share an x. Awesome. So my LCD, I have 3, I have the x, and then at this point you got to write everything else that's there. So I have 3 times 4 times x times x. The reason I boxed in the 3 and the x's is because you cannot have repeats. So no repeats. Alright, so I wouldn't list 3 times. I only list it twice because there's a repeat right here. And I wouldn't list x 4 times even though I see 4 x's. You only list it 3 times because they have one in common already. Okay, so let's see. Let's multiply this out. And we get 3 times 4. What is that? 36. X to the third power. So the LCD would be 36 x to the third power. Let's see if we can do it again. So the first thing we got to do is list the factors for the first denominator. So x squared plus 4x plus 3. What are the factors of it? Well, it's x plus 3 times x plus 1. Good. And now you got to list the factors of the second denominator, x squared plus 10x plus 21. And that's x plus 7 times x plus 3. Alright. Now what are the repeats? Let me get a different color. What are the repeats? X plus 3 as well as x plus 3. Therefore, I only list this once. So I have x plus 3. And at this point, now I got to write everything else that's left over. X plus 1, x plus 7. So the LCD is going to be x plus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 7. Great. Let's try number 40. So let's list the factors for the first denominator. So x squared minus x minus 6. What are the factors? Well, it's x minus 3, x plus 2. Let's list the factors of the second. X minus 4. It's x minus 2 plus x plus 2. And again, go ahead and circle the repeats so we don't make the mistake of writing them twice. So we have the x plus 2 already out. So my LCD has x plus 2. Then you got to write everything else is left over. X minus 3, x minus 2. And these are your LCDs. So for chapter 7.4, all you got to focus on is finding the LCD.